All right, today I just want to talk to y'all and give y'all some sauce about how to start your own Airbnb business, right? So most likely you don't know what you're doing, and most likely you don't really know much about Airbnb. But this is what you do, right? So basically, let's say you trying to secure like a property, like maybe a commercial, residential, or like a industrial property. You want to first basically start looking for the type of property that you're looking for, right? And you want to get it in a very rich neighborhood, right? So you want to get it in a very inclusive neighborhood, so that way you can get the best results and you can get the best people, and booking people that are willing to book for your Airbnb, right? Because you want to treat your house like a hotel, like a 5-star hotel, because basically, if it's not a 5-star hotel, people aren't gonna want to book with you. You know what I'm saying? So it's all about how you make it and the way you make it, because most likely if something looks not luxurious or not looking good, and most likely people aren't going to want to buy it because it doesn't look good, right? So if it doesn't look good on screen, it's most likely not good in person. So you just got to think of it like that. And you want to you obviously second step, you obviously want to start looking for realtors, obviously either commercial, residential, or industrial realtors, to be able to get a contract, and you want to own it. You want to own it with that realtor, and or like landlord for that property, and you want to own the property for about like 10 to 5% down, so that way you don't so that way you just fully own it, and maybe the rest of the money you just owe to the bank. You know what I'm saying? So, and you would be on like a loan agreement for like a loan plan for like 30, 25, maybe 20 years with the bank. So, and so basically, and then you want to also make sure, if you are just renting out your property, you want to make sure that you actually are able to rent out your property on Airbnb. So you have to make sure this is just if you're renting it. You got to make sure you ask the owner of the building or the property if you can rent it out. Sometimes you could just work out some payment arrangement with them, to where you giving them a percentage of what you making from your Airbnb. So that's really the best wave to actually get on it. So definitely you got to get hip to that. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of ways and things like that. So that's the best way. And because people are constantly, there's a lot of visitors, there's a lot of people visiting, like different cities like Miami, LA, Los Angeles, Texas, Houston. So you want to make sure you have it in a very suburban, rich neighborhood, so that way you can get charged the most you can charge for it. But you always want to make sure you have cleaning. You want to make sure you get a cleaning crew, right? So you can charge for a cleaning crew. You could charge for a whole cleaning crew if you're trying to charge for a cleaning crew to be able to clean the house. If you're not trying to clean the house or the building for you, you can actually hire people. You can actually charge people on Airbnb for that. So it's definitely a bag. You could really make like anywhere between like 30K, 25K, 50K, up to like 100K or more from Airbnb monthly, just doing that monthly, and just as a side business, to where you can just constantly just have passive income just coming in 24/7. So that's definitely the way. If y'all get hip to it, you know what I'm saying? I just want to give y'all that game and stuff. So if you like this video, if you rocking with this video and you like it, make sure you subscribe. We giving out more, you know what I'm saying, more free sauce, more free game. We're giving out a lot of sauce and game. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Turn on post notifications, because you gotta stay tuned. You gotta stay tuned for more videos and stuff. So I'm really giving out game. You know what I'm saying? Trying to give you all the sauce. No cap.